He travel.
You not travel.
No, Legion of he travel. Legion of he use that money travel. Assessing as somebody dash.
I said the day and night. If I don't start to fight, if I don't point out to one,
you see that talk?
Where you don't do it, you don't say R&B do this. Then like say back at the if you don't they laugh like wait.
Becca laugh be like. You know when quarter supposed to stop, Becca laugh be like fuel.
Yes, people got the fire. Then
so person when don't wag you, but because they laugh.
Then behind the mic, you call it like this.
Becca be like person when go like have my boy well.
You just light the fire, poof where, then take off, go stand by the
side. You go just enjoy the drama, yeah.
So
all those kind of but when we say anytime you hear quarter, so you draw your curtain, you then say oh yeah good, no stop, finish. Anyway, Godwin, welcome. Now how do you start celebration and how do you why show go now?
The start celebration it's nice. Friday I come work, so I day on Friday.
Yeah.
Saturday they're all about preparation for AY Live, and then AY Live on Sunday mad.
Crazy.
Mad. I mean the show I don't know I want it, but nothing short of spectacular.
Yeah, why now? He's been doing it for years.
The performances and all those things. It was solid, you know. So and you get one of the highlights of the thing now. You get this guy way been trend on social media way. Now physically challenged. When I say physically, now he gets cerebral palsy.
Okay.
You know, so he put them online when he say in dream not to perform for AY Live. So the guy performed. Then why the guy comes say okay, this guy saying in dream to perform for AY Live, and the guy deliver steadily. No. He get the first joke with the guy talk because when the guy when they bring the guy say the guy want see waiting AY then say AY then come they show me all the messages corresponding between them and AY. I can't say okay now I can't call AY say see
can't let her know.
He can't say yes now true one so I can't say okay me I want to audition the guy I can't tell him make him make me laugh
first.
So see the joke with the guy. The guy can say, imagine somebody we get cerebral palsy when they talk where can say he tell him mama say he say love him mama well. So he can tell him mama say since now only him be the picky with the mama get. Maybe the mama buy him dog now, and the mama can say she no fit train 2 animals. Jesus. You know when he talk.
No.
I just laugh. That's it. No. I said that's funny. That's okay. So when the guy clan says talk this joke,
everywhere bust,
everywhere scatter,
everywhere bust,
and he come add some other ones way
Vice
funny.
Jenna.
They come begin spray this guy money. I go die give her 1 million
straight up for real.
The guy
he cash out for.
So the guy cash out. People come they give him money and all those. So it was very, very good. Apart from that, then Peter of P Square too come on stage. You know so. Plus, what people
the atmosphere.
Yes, Peter self. I think Peter pledged something. Some other people pledged. So the guy, I mean, he really shows say that
you can do anything. You can do a lot.
And then also that platform, AY Live, that platform, the number of people we don't get opportunities.
Where they come outside from.
From the brand and everything, man. So,
even Fumbi perform too now. Yeah, I see.
So in part of in terms of the show and all that, everything go fantastic. Now just say one of those big artists who perform me, Bansa be one beat me and. OTB fast like that one I talk for another but because of one or two misunderstandings between our own bouncers and
their own bouncers.
And you know how you go invite artists. How many people are you coming with? 8. You give them 8 stack. The next thing they go show up with 15
people.
And then bouncer are gonna say no, all this kind of thing. Then come like bouncer versus
bouncer.
But the thing is say you know say our bouncer they be like Iroko 3.
They're tough.
You know those guys bouncer. So young people where they don't feel intimidate this one.
This one
won't be like Iroko 3. So in order to go try to roll peace and all that, you know, I can't talk to one of the artist representative, you know. And brother got to say, no, they talk that kind of thing. Now because what you go do? Where they try to want to one thing. Now the guy, so what you go do even they talk? What you go do? So now the guy won't come there. So he calls the police come, everybody come.
It's serious like that. I wish artist is off air.
And one day co, who some do that at the fair now?
One day co.
And you had 9 people.
One day co. He don't they do like that now.
You know. What I know they do like that.
I think a humble person before normally.
No. You see, when artists carry people where they on culture.
Yeah, because if you know it will be the fault of the artist self. Now just over sabi people around them.
Follow self. Not being the first saying they go because bouncer. Why you bring people when okay now, ma see one question and now what Nigerian artists they do one no like. They invite you for show. You carry 20 people, 15 people. No, they'll not be dancers. They'll not be backup singer.
They'll not even be your DJ. Maybe now one go be DJ.
Now when they perform, now one person fall on top stage.
So who will be the other guys?
I understand. Say you won't carry your answer. So all those plenty follow come. What did they do there?
There be.
Now the problem why they get be that. So man, ask you another question now. She won't tell me now. Say they invite them to come perform for Grammy or one of those things.
No, you not pack people go now.
No, you pack crowd like that. They follow you, but you understand what
Grammy go later. You say
now, the thing be that
2 people are allowed plus you.
And then and then all this plenty follow come. No necessary. So many acts, I mean, Tiwa that like 3 or 4 people there with Tiwa dancers. If you see how she sit down calmly, I don't even know say Tiwa don't reach backstage. You understand? Now we the stage manager, but I don't tell manager Yamona they come. The moment they read back, I just see Tiwa like now they tell them what to say. But now superstar sit down here so now. Why all this drama no happen with them? You understand? So now the individual, now what you want carry. I might just tell you when I analyze the whole thing. I know say because out of respect for AY and show we go need to see beg. I can't get to the beg one day because if I say what the beg I then no go. I look at the tell and say, man, I tell you what I talk we make that in brother. I say look one thing na me now. I not be another person. Not me because I don't know because the first voice. The time when you started those 2009, it means said on the radio. We know ourselves. I know how many interviews we done. I know how many times we done the. You understand? And your music, you cannot say we no get hand for your songs in terms of radio and all those things. So out of respect for relationship we don't did before and even for A1, you understand? You know go they let say because one bouncer. You know go that way. You can also think of the relationship where you get with A1. If not because of that, okay, what now me? You understand? More will talk. Now that guy they say, don't talk that you want to. So they can no remind and say in they come from somewhere. Now, you know what the Nigerian artists they do, some of them. When they come up, their music they pick, people they play and they like them. No, they beg fans. They then go somewhere. Fans, make fans jump, make fans dance. They want near fans. They go say, I beg, buy my CD. That time they sell CD for traffic, no internet, no streaming, everything. Then when they don't blow, they will come get bouncer, push fans away. But they still want make fans buy their music, but don't come near me. So when they go events when they never blow, they want make fans come near them to make them feel important. When they blow, they want fans to stay away.
For their mind, they don't pay the dues.
Yes,
now.
So they go bring bouncer, make bouncer, stay, push them away from them. Now the same fans way.
When support you. Yeah.
So when you come, and I understand getting bouncer and all those things because of
security and the rest.
But not be when you want to enter event venue, we get your own security. Then you come bring plenty follow come when they perform any. Then for backstage, all of them go come full there. Person go they find where to put leg.
I think say apart from that, I think that the vibe. They get vibe from that people. Plenty people when they follow them.
The individual nice come there now.
No, now you do nice and Monday call.
Tiwa come there now.
Tiwa na lady, you understand.
Last year Davido come now.
30 VG.
Okay, but
30 people they follow her.
No, even though 30 VG. So man tell you how Davido do. That when Davido come the other time.
Okay,
I don't really count how many people follow her. There plenty. But when they come, even with the bouncer, they enter the green room.
Yeah.
Then sit down.
They not try come backstage.
I go meet and we greet. Me and the manager say okay, say it's social time. So when I tell and say okay, the next 30 minutes, thing go because na P Square there on stage. That was last year. He come backstage. When he come backstage, now him, manager, 1 or 2 people and bouncer. He not carry the entire. The other one sit there green room. And then when he did there, they don't stand for like 45 minutes because when he reach here, at last in the next. When you don't, by the time you reach backstage, don't even like 15 minutes for P Square to go.
Finish.
Well, if P Square go say, I saw Peter go just ask, where we go? They will say no more. They go
drop another.
Where we go? Before you know what happen, 15 minutes don't do 45 minutes. So if I go back, the video go like, go the half now. I said, I did come, I beg. In my days, I go say, go the half. I say, I beg no vex. So the more P Square they extend time, the more they go apologize. But the calmness with David.
And the fact say not pack a crowd come backstage. I think that the difference between and
he just stay there until he can't climb stage. Even when he climbs stage, Nami and the manager, Nami and his assistant by the side of the stage, they gist, they talk about. You understand? So sometimes the artist and then a lot of them this their follow come. No day when they start because they don't feel afford follow come. So the follow come they mean, but they forget say you get people. When help this one reach here. Now all those follow come when they understand how the team work and I deal with this.
Now they raise their
but other than that, I know. But trust me, the biggest music and comedy concert every year.
Currently, right now for Nigeria.
Not just in Nigeria. I feel put say.
No, we're not about Africa countries.
I feel Africa. Very successful.
But the aftermath of I don't know if you don't come across Basketmat interview on the own side of the whole arrangement.
For the
podcast. Yeah.
I watched it this morning, and my conclusion for that matter, I say, Basket no one be friends with AY.
Right from time.
You don't talk and say they don't be friends.
We can enough be friends with everybody.
That's just it. Then AY no get problem being friends with
basket mat, yeah.
But of course, in realize say the guy no one be friend. And he's
right,
now in between the last 17 years, which from 2069, things don't happen where even AY don't say talk small way happen, basket don't talk. You understand? Things don't happen, which is normal with human beings. One or two things go happen. But the conclusion be say basket just feel say, well, I don't want to be friends with this guy, and it's okay.
It's okay not to be friends with everybody.
And then
yeah.
I don't say why the kind of person I know to be. I know will get any problem being friends with them. But since this one no one fine. So and then the truth be say, if we look at two of them are two of the biggest comedy brands for this country. And they don't succeed in so many ways, so many areas. So then big.
That they do well individually.
And as far as I'm concerned, they did the same level.
Huh?
They did the same level in terms of success.
No. God, I not agree with you. Not talk that thing again. They not did the same level. Yeah, this one they are different. They are this one different from this one. This one different from this one.
No, when you talk about A-list comedians, who you go call?
Certainly.
Now it be the levels. Now they did the same level. Basket mount AY. There are people where they certain. All of us know say the king na Alibaba. After that, the next.
No, they forget to also mention one of those when supposed also they regarded as king na Julius Agu.
No, you don't see. You don't understand that they talk. I say two of them they the same level. I don't tell you their level high past Julius. And I tell you so they did the same level. When you say like in Nigeria now, if you say A-list, you go if you don't call Davido.
Okay, by A-list level,
now they tell you so
talk,
in terms of that be level now.
Based on popularity, Abi.
Yes. Based on popularity, and if you want to talk popularity, that one is subjective. Because if you want to talk popularity physically, social media, whatever, how they sell out shows, it's arguable. You understand? In terms of social media, you get more.
Basketman are your guy now.
Yes, now they tell you so.
But he not they close to you the way AY they close to you.
Well, close different, but have you said maybe I did closer to AY than basketball?
Yes.
But when I say they did the same level, see what I mean here. You see basket, see AY, see Julius, see OK. They did that level.
Bovi. In fact, the three of them when they did this, when they probably did the same level. Now Bovi, AY, and Basketman.
Don't say three. Then plenty.
Okay, then plenty.
Now
but
they
the ones
tell you
ones
so. Now they add OK. Now they add.
All those ones are veteran. I know they would add them.
You know you go add them because now you go.
No, OK Bakassi now Alibaba. If you want to classify Alibaba level, now the OK Bakassi Julius Agu. God, we support all these things now.
You know you they miss the point.
They are go die.
And it's not by age and all those ones.
No.
Now they tell you so. At least no get age. You get a list of those days, you get a list of now. You go see classified at the same level, just like Two-Face. When Two-Face don't the industry for so many years, there was no whiskey than Davido. But today, if they can't A list, you go can't Davido whiskey. You go see can't Two-Face join. Abi,
no.
You know, go say.
Are you add whiskey?
So if you come this country now, somebody they ask you for A listers.
I think the category that A list when they use now they confuse. You
they think like two level. You they think like typical African man.
No,
man, I tell you why.
Two-Face are legend.
No. Nobody, if as you come this country, won't come do concert, and they're not going to ask you, say, bring legend. Who are the A-listers? They
go consider it. No, they go ask you who they pop right now, which that the A-list they talk about. They don't ask you who be those who go bring memories, come back. No, they'll come measure them.
He just show it, go on, do it, go. So, what you want bring? Which memory you want bring? What did they talk?
Wow, you buy must be you go to do show your country.
Okay. And be you then if you want to show for this country now, and you get open ticket to bring 3 of the biggest artists for this country to come perform for you free of charge, and they don't get choice, they must come. Who be the top 3 you go pick?
Popping.
When you want to sell out 6,000,
I go bring 2 popping artists. Then I'll come add one old one. It's all you got.
See political answer. See political answer.
Yes, nah.
See political answer.
No, now so they tell you know this thing why they talk. Even for this comedy show, you go notice say you go add some veteran. We call them veteran.
Make I tell you, don't abuse sentiment. Make I tell you, Gandoki na legend for industry. Well, comedy, right? And I go die and all those things. I go save. But you understand? But Gandoki no go do show now for a code there. Say only him sell out. No, not be. But does he remove his status as a legend? No. Yeah, you know say you go. So
now by the seller.
Yeah, you know say you go being Davido and Whiskey, or maybe you go add Olamide join for the streets. Say you go come bring one. You want the politically correct. So now they tell you so. Anybody who want do show, Anybody who want do show, say. Anybody want do show, say. Yeah. And the person don't know the industry. Say, look, I want give me a list of the 10 A-listers in this country, male and female. You go call Davido, you call Burna Boy, you call Whiskey, you call Lamide, you call Tiwa Savage, you go add Two-Face. You go, so you give on the list. You add Yemi Alade. You understand? You add people where be say you add P Square. Now we they talk. When I say that level. At that level in comedy, you go call AY, you call Basketman, you call Alibaba, you call Julius, you call this, you tell us these are the people, you call Bovi, you call the biggest names. When you say any because if that person carry that your list, enter one boardroom for this country, where you know the boardroom people supposed to tell and say, yeah, that guy where you asked, not the right thing tell you. So now we know who say Tubamana legend. This one, but in terms of A-list and you won't say show, my brother at the same level than the A-list. According to one of our former guy,
at a level,
according to Lisa, now who sell us crown na NBA list. So what are you legend before now? Say,
but I just feel say for me the way I look at, I feel say anybody when tag as legend are those when don't feel maintain their grounds A-lister for a while. So you not need to say whether they pop or they pop again. Whether show not come, you must consider them because they don't put in a lot of effort. That's why we call them legend or veteran. Now, so be my classification. When you say A-list, are the people when you're the pop, what if it's right now?
And this in Nigeria, only Nigeria, it be like that too.
No, I'm not sure.
I'll tell you why.
You just say you just say DM. They do show now. You not bring DMS. You not bring.
No, you don't understand. I said that only Nigeria now it be like that. Say now who they pop. Then they want use for show.
Okay.
You understand? If any of these big brand won't sell out, do so now for December. Who be the people they do concert for December? Who be the people they do concert for December? Now these big guys. Now, but why is that only Nigeria they be like that? It not be like that for abroad. For instance, 2 years ago, the biggest stage any artist will perform for this world now Super Bowl. Halftime show.
Dr. Dre, was it? That was 2 years ago.
See all the old men, Dr. Dre, Snoop, Eminem.
The finish was scatter everywhere.
Now,
even though they don't pop, they don't be A-list, so they finish ground.
Let me ask you now. Let's assume say we get Nigerian football, they get way big like Super Bowl, and they won't do halftime performance for this country. You just said the organizer they think about to go bring legends to come do halftime show. If they never, but they don't see Davido, Whiskey, and Burna Boy and all this. So our thinking now. Our thinking. Now what we discuss when Vector even come. That's why you call the talk. So now the problem say the same.
Because we're not sabi regard them.
Because Nigerian fans they move on easily. Now who they hot they want.
But I don't attend so many shows. You see all these guys won't consider as veterans. So people they vibe to their song more than this so-called popping artists. So I wish show we attend for December when Durella come. When Durella sing that if you see everybody they vibrate
about the song
they after he come out when one of these popping guy come
now who then they said the show
now the people when they pop you get
that is what brand
you say now because we never observe the doings of these people now make we know the regard
like
them.
Want to like what Vector talk that time now the same brand the same drink brand where they sponsor Super Bowl halftime show. We carry legends for there. We then call Nigeria and the small one that they say as ambassador. So that the mentality of Nigeria don't enter their head. I want to ask you a question and be your show. Who be the headliners? How many legends the food there?
A legend food here.
Call their name now.
That's Senator. I got it. Even me,
they talk about comedy.
Okay, the musicians had a song now. I make sure say had a song. They have now even push for front before then Jay Wiz and
now be the legend when you put there.
I had a song now legend.
If I blow you,
no, I had a song not tell. For Bini,
no. If they can't legend, and the song no be.
He's on his way. Song, though.
No, why they say when I talk about legend, why go put? I don't want to call names.
I be want Africa China, but I couldn't get through to him. I even talk to Konga self because I be talk to Konga. Now even now they tell me say, I will be available, but I don't already release Billboard because my own idea be say I want to bring a lot of memories like old jam memory because I don't go show. If these guys come on stage, bro, even Gen Z generation, they know their song. I'm talking about the early 2000 guys.
But to sell your ticket, who be the people where you put? You know, put current hot people.
Poppy ones.
Poppy one now you put to sell ticket, and now all about selling ticket basically. You know, so
but if time they go, I think as time they go, we go adjust. We go let to respect everybody. But last, everybody not be fit be everybody friend. You get me?
No,
And
that's what life be.
That's what life be. Yeah.
Even Jesus when he come earth, he not be everybody friend.
Not be every. You see, he got 12 disciples now.
But he died for everybody. But
even inside 12 disciples, not be all of them still be friend though.
Once he betray
Judah.
Judas. And then you see, I mean, when they walk out, you see all those fathers. You tell them, they say, brood of vipers, blind guides. He have them now. As in, see una, say una fish una righteous. But I not come to save you now. And the unrighteous now I come to save. You don't even roll with everybody because he gets some people who say they don't accept them.
Yeah.
But that one no mean say he no love them, he no die for them. And at the same time, be life. He cannot be everybody's friend. He no fit deal with everybody. He no fit deal with everybody. But I not believe say if basketball dey somewhere, come here say why they problem, they won't kill her. He no fight. He go see. You understand? Even though they don't, he go see the same thing with.
He talk. I say no get problem, boy. I can't be your friend.
Exactly, and that's just it.
Anyway, that one go wrap up our conversation for Across the Bridge today. We touched like a lot of trendy doings. Gonwaruayo, I go leave now for his strong hands. He not be Lady J. Yeah, his strong hands. From now, I can't go reach around 4 p.m. But before then, don't the ground to knock you tinkly news for 11:30. Not go anywhere. We dey come back.
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.